This is a common structure for division of profits in a real estate deal. The waterfall provides layout of how the profits of a deal will be split between the operating partner, also known as the sponsor, and the passive investors, also known as limited partners. There's usually a preferred return element to the deal. This states that invested capital will get paid back at a certain percentage before the promote is activated. A promote is a performance incentive for the sponsor if they produce high returns. Let's say you passively invest in a deal with a 10% preferred return, after which both the sponsor and limited partner will be paid back their initial investment. Then, for any additional profit received, the operating partner or sponsor receives 20% of your profits for delivering a return in excess of 10%. You offer this to the sponsor to incentivize them to perform at a high level. Oftentimes, there are multiple levels. So, for example, after the limited partner receive a 15% return, the sponsor starts receiving 30% of the limited partner's profits. That's the general overview of a waterfall. It can be more complicated or simpler depending on the deal and the people involved.